Some older Toronto houses still have outdated cast iron drain stack pipes. Those pipes cause a lot of problems. Because of cracks, they leak. Because of corrosion buildup, they become clogged very often. Replacement of this pipe with ABS is required. In this particular case, we replace all the way from the basement up to the main floor ceiling. New pipes are installed. Smaller branches are reconnected. If you need professional service in your home, please call us. We are a team of licensed and experienced plumbers.